increase the parking fees for the Wynn and Encore.
Ooh.
It's obviously closed. This is where one of the coolest pool parties there are right now. Here's their list of rules for the convenience and safety of everyone's guests. Marijuana products are prohibited. No pets, no strollers. All weapons are not allowed on property.
Thank you.
Thank you. Smells so good in here. Here we go.
Here we go. Ooh.
Very nice decor. Big red butterfly.
Oh wow. Look at that. Look at that design right there. Wow. Look at this is my favorite one.
I'm in the red with, you know, I'm matching the butterfly. The lamps are kind of different, huh?
Yeah. Do you mean these ones or?
No, the ones that are back there look like antler.
Here's their gambler hall. Oh, sorry.
We can go this way though?
Okay.
So is this connected to the Wynn or no?
Just follow this walkway. It'll take you right to it.
Thank you. Okay.
Here's just a little bar. Nope, just
Looks
really,
like an eatery.
real fancy. Here's the beach club.
Little bar here.
Little bar. So fancy. Registration is that away. So.
Good peacocks.
Here's the high limits.
That's kind of cool looking, huh?
Yeah.
They're watching over the high limit gamblers.
High limits. Sinatra, yeah.
I believe it's one of their.
Oh, somewhere. Restaurant. Well.
And then I think registration.
Those are tower suites. Here's the casino house.
I like it's all like bright red in here. Oh,
Yeah.
the racing sports book.
Sports book is over there.
It's like on that back wall.
Here's the cashier. Ooh.
Goodies on demand.
Sunrise. Oh, there it is. Right?
Registration. Cashiers. Most casinos have these little gift shops.
Let's see how much this is. Hello. 28 bucks.
Can I get a hat?
Wow.
What do you think? Is it me? No?
Yeah. Encore is just the Encore.
Alrighty.
That's where you get to your hotel rooms.
So we got floors ahead of us. The gaming floor, which we already got busted once. Let's go to this way. Let's see what the minimum is. $15 minimum roulette. Blackjack looks like $15 minimum. Yep. 15. And 15 on that blackjack. Oh, here's the registration. I like all the red. It's super pretty. Goodies on demand. Ooh, that sounds like my type of place. Oh, here's their pool.
I think we're just allowed to go right now.
Here we go. Let's go see. Now. Should have got it.
Ooh. Goodies on demand.
So this is their pool area. It's all blocked off. So I can't really show you, but it looks very similar to the one that we did in the Wynn video. This is their floor layouts of both casinos. So you can see the Encore is right here, the Wynn's here, all their shopping and the nightclub access is right there. So we're gonna try to do more of the casino floor. Unfortunately, we got busted as soon as we walked in. So we're gonna try. We'll see. Table games. Oh, there's $50 blackjack. Nobody's at that. That's crazy. Nobody's refusing. 2 people playing craps, you guys. Minimum is $25 craps.
Here's the Eastside Lounge.
That's very nice. Cozy down up there.
Holy crap.
That's so cool.
Oh yeah.
So I thought their pool was similar to the Wynn, but I don't think so. That's way smaller, huh?
Yeah.
But they're known for their pool parties at the Encore Beach Club, not their swimming pool. People go to their beach club parties.
That's a fat pigeon.
This is a cute little bar.
Yeah.
Little lounge area.
Those are cool lights.
They have a sign on going out, so it's a good look. Alright, everybody. Slot World. Ooh, Rhino Charge. These are all very brightly lit slot machines. Deluxe fish. Ooh, Craig would like that one. Sushi and noodles. Cocktail waitress and more slots. Alright, so guess how many rooms the Encore has?
2,561.
2034. It was built 9 years ago, December 22nd. When the Encore opened, it says to open the betting, Steve Wynn gave high rollers a few $1 million to make the initial bets and initiated the action by declaring, "Let the games begin." That's cool. So these are just shops in between. Oh, there's their nightclub, Excess. Who are they gonna have coming up? Marshmallow.
DJ Snake,
Yeah, Marshmallow.
Jazz,
September
and
2nd.
DJ
That's
5. Yeah.
But it's really nice in here. It always smells so good.
And now we are entering the world of the wind. I don't know.
Yeah,
The Encore is
that's a good
pretty
time.
small, but it's fun because you still have the wind part, and I mean, it's the Encore. It's not like it's supposed to be bigger than the other one.
Yeah, right? It's
Yeah.
like the smaller system.
Do 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 do.
74,000 square feet of gaming.
Tickets office.
Home store. I think they have Louis Vuitton down here too.
Yeah. Ooh, them glass feet. You heard of glass slippers?
No, I just turned to glass feet.
Are they Popeye?
Popeye, he's still here. If you watch our Wynn video, you'll see me posting with Popeye.
You're right.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching our video of the Encore. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out, babies. We love you. Hey everyone, what's up? I wanted to do a quick update on Resort World because you've all been asking. There are people working over there right now. It is scheduled to open in 2020, so they got a little bit more time left to work on it. Guess how many number of rooms it's gonna have, Paul?
A lot.
Yeah, 6,583 rooms is how many rooms it's gonna have. That's crazy to me. Anyways, the theme is going to be Chinese. You can see the guys over there working on it. You can hear them driving trucks. Looks like they're working on the parking garage.
We're doing a circle.
Anyway, guys, this is the update on Resort World. I bet Circus Circus is gonna hate it because it's like messing with their view of the strip now. Like none of their people will be able to see the strip. Look.
This is how we get good viewing spots. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you have a good day, Vegas. Bye bye.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Peppermill. We haven't been to the Peppermill in a long time, huh?
Since the RIP'd. Oh, it's cold. Feels so good.
Hello. Just give me like 2 minutes. Okay?
Sure, perfect, thank you.
Yeah, he's great. He has no chance. Violence off right now. 30 seconds. Go. Right now, all
I went there. Look at the ceiling. It's like disco ball.
Disco ball.
I don't want to limp all over and they are I would have said
So we just serve breakfast, lunch, dinner 24/7 and a cocktail menu. More cocktails.
Perfect, thank you.
Where are we, Mom? We're gonna order some delicious.
Oh yeah. Alright everyone, we are in the Peppermill. Here is what it looks like inside. I ordered my normal French dip. Colin, what'd you order?
Philly cheesesteak.
Oh, Philly cheesesteak, but here's what it looks like. And you know, they want to keep it old school, so they're trying to keep it old school.
Their website's old school.
Yeah?
Centrally located on the Las Vegas Boulevard, between the Wynn and the Riviera.
Yeah, as you can see, the Riviera is gone. Well, you can't see because it reflects back in here. Alright, so here's a look at Colin's.
It smells so good.
Oh, it looks so good. That looks like an amazing Philly cheesesteak. No. And then I got sweet potato fries with a French dip. So we'll let you know how it is when we're done. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video of the Encore Resort World update and ending here at the Peppermill. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe. We appreciate you all. Peace out, Vegas. Have a great night.
Oh dang, that was scary.